Hi everyone, it's Chris here from OPMC, and today I want to talk to you about the best ways to prevent velocity attacks from costing your e-commerce business thousands of dollars. You know, between 2019 and 2020, the total number of identity thefts reported was up by 113%. Credit card fraud accounted for nearly 400,000 of those complete transactions. That's billions of dollars yearly being lost to small, medium, and enterprise level businesses trying to sell products, create jobs, and form a lasting company. And with so much fraud out there, how do you protect your own e-commerce store from velocity attacks? We've put together a quick list of the best resources and tips to stop fraudsters from using velocity attacks and stolen credit card numbers that cause you thousands of dollars worth of damage. So, what is a velocity attack? Well, at its core, a velocity attack is a type of fraud that involves someone trying to submit a debit card or a credit card to make an unauthorized transaction on your e-commerce storefront. It becomes a velocity fraud when these people use automated tools to attempt hundreds or even thousands of illegal transactions through your online store's payment system. Now, this could mean you start your day with a massive bill from your merchant account for all those criminal transactions. You know, even the most advanced payment processor may not have everything set up correctly to prevent this from happening. It's up to you to defend your store and, more importantly, your profits. So how about the best ways to prevent velocity attacks? Well, firstly, you can filter visitor traffic. You know, fraud prevention is often most effective when proactive. For example, being able to put a rule in place that checks whether or not a buyer is ordering products from a known bad IP address, poor location data, or a country or region you do not deliver to can save you thousands of dollars. This kind of fraud protection filter blocks such users from targeting your WooCommerce online store, so you are not stuck trying to figure out which orders are authentic and which are criminals trying to earn a quick buck. You can also control the number of transactions or attacks in a defined time frame. Velocity attacks are called that because they involve hundreds or thousands of transactions in a small amount of time. Placing a filter or setting on your e-commerce store that prevents such rapid order volume allows you the fraud protection needed so you don't get taken advantage of in the short term. Now, this could involve checking if an order significantly exceeds the average amount for your site, limiting the number of attempted orders per user in a time frame, or a general time setting of something like midnight and 3 AM when you know fraudsters can be most active. You could engage a security check like reCAPTCHA. You may think all those security checks on websites forcing you to identify all the bicycles in photos are annoying, because they are. But from a WooCommerce store owner's perspective, they are the first line of defense. It's an easy way to get rid of bots who are automatically targeting your website. These reCAPTCHA security checks eliminate bots from automatically entering data into your payment forms and then running transactions illegally. As a result, you're preventing criminals from spamming your merchant account with thousands of unauthorized payment requests, which none of us want. Another thing you can do is enable CVV filters. The CVV is the card verification value number, usually on the back of a credit card. While criminals can purchase this number as well as other stolen card information, it adds another layer of protection from velocity attacks, exposing your site to financial damage. Next is an address verification filter. By engaging this kind of feature, you can match the billing and zip code of the person attempting to make a purchase from the information of the supporting bank. If the account owner is using the incorrect zip, the payment won't go through. All you're doing is asking the backing financial institution to verify this as normal activity for this user. So the best solution to deal with all of this is OPMC's WooCommerce anti-fraud plugin, and guess what? We made that. While all of these filters and tips seem like a great idea, it can be overwhelming if you don't understand coding or how to create your own preventative system. Luckily, our team at OPMC has a powerful WooCommerce anti-fraud plugin, one of the most popular in the market that not only protects against velocity attacks, but also features all of the options we listed above and more. There's automated order rating to prevent fraud. You can block or pause orders based on suspected fraudulent activity. You can get alerts from orders from specific countries, emails, or IP addresses. You can prevent proxy orders. It also detects multiple purchases from the same IP. There's auto blacklisting of unsafe accounts or emails, and a whole bunch more. So why expose that online store you've spent so much time, money, and energy building? You can pick up our all-in-one anti-fraud protection to stop fraud and other activities like velocity attacks on your storefront. You can learn more about our WooCommerce anti-fraud plugin today and boost your store's security so you can focus on building profits and automating everything to give you more time. Well, that's all from me. If you liked this video, give it the thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it the thumbs down. And either way, please subscribe to our channel if you'd like to get more videos like this and keep up to date with what we're doing. Thanks and talk soon.